Good morning. Sana ganito kasarap ang Monday morning nyo. Or mas masarap pa dito. Okay, this dish is called tam kanun. Tam kanun, literally it means na dinikdik na langka. So dito sa Thailand, yung mura na bunga na langka, ginugulay din siya. Okay, this morning I just got inspired to share you this. So, sa paggawa ng tam kanun, slice mo lang yung langka na mura and then boil mo siya until tender and then dikdikin mo siya sa almirez. After that, mag-prepare ka ng pork, na slices ng pork. Mas masarap siguro yung medyo may konting taba. But dito sa bahay, since hindi nga kami mahilig kumain ng taba, we use yung tenderloin. So, just deep fry it and then until it's a little crunchy, or kung gusto mo crunchy talaga, yung medyo yung brown na like this, like ginawa namin. Okay, and then prepare ka ng prick. So ng prick, how to prepare ng prick for this is garlic, shallots or yung maliliit na onions, and then chilies, yung mga bird's eye chilies, yung maliliit na chilies natin, and then what else will you put, mami? Galanggal, konting slices lang ng galanggal. But if you don't have galanggal, you can use ginger, pero yung murang-mura, hindi yung magulang na ginger, yung murang-mura lang. So konti lang yun, konting-konti lang. And then kung meron kang Szechuan pepper sa bahay or Szechuan pepper oil, you can add that. Did you put kapi? Kapi is yung yung fish paste ng Thailand. If you don't have that there in Philippines, you can use a little of yung yung a little bagoong or a little yung bagoong na halubaybay, yung fish na bagoong natin. A little only. And then you can also add turmeric here habang dinidikdik mo sila. So just dikdikin mo lang sila until they become a paste. Yun yung curry paste nito. Okay? And then so, i-fry natin yung paste na yon that you have made. Then add tomatoes, slices of tomatoes. And then yung kanun, yung na dinikdik na langka. And then add the pork. Hanggang maluto lang, hanggang mag-combine yung flavors lahat. And then it will take around 5-8 minutes only. Hindi matagal na lutuan yan. And then that's it. Serve it with usually yung mga herbs like this. This is mami, this is from garlic, right? This is garlic chives. Okay, or you can serve it with coriander, or you can serve it with also any type of basil, na yung Asian basils. Okay, and then it's ready to eat. So okay, let's try the tam kanun. Okay, masarap ito, believe me, masarap. Okay, so we will eat it with boiled eggs. So, prepared sa boiled eggs. Okay, and then nag-slice din siya ng mga yung hilaw na eggplants. You know, here, sinabi ko na sa inyo dati, kinakain ito as, ulam. And then, meron kaming binili na ng prick. What is it? Pukay. Pukay, it means... sounds funny. Ng prick pukay, it means crab eggs. Yeah, crab eggs. Pukay. Okay, so pukay. So, yan. Diyan dinidip, or yan yung flavoring for this, for the talong na hilaw. Okay, so also, we eat this garlic na hilaw with nampik, any nampik. So, this time, it's nampik pukay. Okay, so chilies din. Can you handle this? Okay, so let's try. May rice. Konti lang, no? Napaka-modest. Pero actually, ma-rice ako eh. So, I'm just controlling, okay? Okay, mami, let's try. Mami, why you have so plenty of rice there? On your plate. Did I move my rice there? Okay, this for you. Okay? Actually, I moved my rice to her plate. Hello, Mami? Okay. That's my rice over there. Okay. Okay. So, let's eat. Favorite dish. Yeah. Lagi ako nagre-request kay Pim nito. This is my favorite dish. This for you. Okay. Slide.
Kahit no kalangga.
Yummy. Yummy. So, it tastes so natural. At saka yung tomatoes, siya yung nag-add nung fresh factor. Parang, it tastes so fresh. Siya rin nag-add nung umami while, kasi habang in-stir fry is yung nag-melt yung tomato eh. And then, yung fried pork is the crunch factor. Yummy. Talong. Nampik po kayo ang talong. Well, para ka lang kumain ng bayabas actually. And this, well, garlic chives. Ito pag kumakain ka ng ng pad thai, you eat this also with pad thai.